So maybe zooming in a bit on the unstructured challenge, because you guys have done a lot of work with this over the years. How have you thought about, what have been some of your learnings from your initial approaches to automating unstructured, and how did that evolve to where you are today? How did you apply some of those learnings to define, what are you looking for in solutions that can help you in that category?
As I said earlier, we've got pretty big document processing businesses, and we identified very early on, if we actually wanted to automate sort of back office functions, we're going to have to digitize this data as early in a business process as possible, so that we could just then sort of move it around via APIs and more traditional technologies. So when we started our journey, we sort of started with RPA, and then sort of we'll call it Doc AI in parallel. And we had sort of fit for purpose technologies, one for RPA, one for Doc AI. As we started down that road, we realized very quickly that, and this was 4-ish years ago, that the Doc AI technologies and frankly the data extraction approaches that were sort of commonplace then were going to be really challenging to deploy at scale.